We are in Hong Kong, one of the most densely populated city in the world, and today I'll show you some of the smallest rooms you can rent anywhere on the planet. Before we will step inside, let me show you the building itself. It's a 16-story building on the main street of Kowloon, the peninsula of Hong Kong, and this is super crowded street, and we are going exactly there. Here is a Mixie snowman. So for the first view, nothing special, just some stores and shops there, but let's step into and see what's going on there. So it starts from some changers and shops, and in any corner you can find the elevator with a lot of hotels inside. There is only hotels you can see, just nothing else, only guest house, hostels and hotels. We can go next, and on the next corner you will find another elevator. It's like a big market, like in another, not looks like a Chinese place. There is a lot of people from Middle East, and I love the atmosphere because I love to be in the Middle Eastern countries, in Arab countries. I feel myself there very comfortable. So yeah, and here is a pretty crowded, some food market, some vegetable market, fruit market, and every few minutes you can see Chinese tourists who are very shocked about what's going on around. I think the Chinese tourists not really ready for this atmosphere, and but I love it always. Just I love to. I'm feeling like a home here. Yeah, it's good. Love it, love it. So chaotic, and from each elevator you can go to different independent buildings. Each of them contains a lot of guest rooms, hundreds of small guest rooms. Yeah, you can see just elevator, another elevator. Here is less guest houses. So I'm standing next to another block, another elevator. Now we will go up to see how these rooms look. So you can see how it looks. It's just few doors. All of them are receptions, like guest house, guest house, guest house, and members only, check-in time, check-out time, and yeah, all this door contains multiple doors inside, like 10 or 20. I will show you. Let's look. Let's check out how the famous mansion looks inside. Here we go. I'm in a very narrow place, and I will show you the smallest room probably you ever seen. This is just a door. Everything looks like normal, but we just come inside. I will close the door after me to show you how small this room is. It's just, my left hand is here and my right hand is here. So it means it's around less than 2 meters wide, both sides. So I mean, here is the toilet, but what I here is no window. Here is absolutely no windows. And what I surprised at AC, and it seems pretty new and modern, and I think it's even cold in this room, some light, but yeah, the room is super small. Like the toilet, to come to the toilet you need to open door, come and then close the door, because it's so limited space anywhere. And I am 190, but I think this bed is much less than my height, and yeah, but sometimes two people even can stay here. It's very cheap. It's kind of $20 US, but for Hong Kong, it's cheap. It's very cheap for Hong Kong. So even small TV here, but it's only problem that here some other rooms. It seems, honestly, it seems very clean. No any cockroaches, no any rats or something. It's super clean. And the space looks like here, like just, this is long corridor.
It's also different.
So the other room, very small, so not so wide, but with window. It costs, of course, more expensive, and the window view not so bad because you can see the main street there. It's so sunny now, but yeah, here is some air conditioner, ventilation, and look, this door is so fancy because you don't need to open and close. So what do you think about these kind of rooms? I think it's insane and very interesting to see. I happy to have the opportunity. If you want me to overnight here, just write a comment. Yeah, this is the smaller, honestly. Oh wow, this is really small. Can you hold the camera on me? Yeah, I think this is the smallest room, honestly. But I think the window is big.
Same as the 801.
Wow, honestly, the window is good. I mean, it's a lot of light. I mean, it's not depressive to stay here. I mean, this is good. If I were like short, tall, I can sleep here. I mean, everything is clean. Just everything looks good. Even some freezer. Probably that doesn't work, but
yeah, it's working. Just take out.
Yeah, even it's working. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, funny. Wow. Good bad. Yeah, honestly, now at the daytime it's funny, but I think in the evening, if you stay alone here, it could be scary because if you're alone,
yes.
No one here, no light, just no sunlight.
No sunlight.
Yeah. So yeah, only no sunlight, no windows in this area, only sides, and yeah, I think it's a little bit scary. But here's a free water.
But it's okay here. It's very.
Not that bad. Honestly, I expected much worse. I mean, just it's upper my expectation. This is corridor and another rooms here, and here is even common window.
All the things.
Yeah.
Cleaning.
Yeah, real Hong Kongan small room in the famous mansion. That fancy like the rest of Hong Kong, and now just I'm leaving, and from this big mess you are just going to amazing streets of Hong Kong. They look so, these buses, everything, just so fancy, palms, skyscrapers, everything's so amazing. This narrow street, one of the fire exits of from this mansion, and just few steps from it, and we are coming on the super charming street. Everything is like lightning and so fancy, and here's absolutely nothing reminds about what's going inside this place. Look here.